Times are changing, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a vertical orientation stream in OBS so you're able to stream from OBS to a platform such as TikTok in a vertical orientation. Now, one thing I do want to make mention of before we jump in is if you are streaming specifically to TikTok, you will want to be sure and get your stream key ahead of time. I've made a video exactly on the steps to take to get your stream key, and I'll have that linked right up here right now. So go ahead and click on that video if you don't have your stream key and you're planning on streaming to TikTok. Now let's jump over to my computer and talk specifically about this vertical orientation and how we're gonna make this happen. So let's go ahead and just jump over to my OBS. And I'm sorry it looks like this, guys. I'm actually recording on OBS, so we've got a lot of different windows going on here, it looks like, but we're just gonna go ahead and use this main window right here. What we're gonna do is go ahead and switch this to vertical orientation format. Now to do this, what we need to do, what I would prefer to do is I don't really wanna change any of my OBS settings that are already set up and in place, and I've tweaked and fine-tuned everything. I don't wanna adjust any of that. So I'm gonna go up here and click profile, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click create new profile. And I'm gonna name that profile TikTok. Now, because I'm recording, I can't actually show you exactly how to do it, but basically you're gonna go ahead and click on the profile button there and then click create new. And if you ever wanna switch back over to your old profile, you can click on that profile tab again from the drop down and find your old profile. It's probably named like untitled or unknown or something like that, unless you renamed it, but it's probably named like, I think it's untitled is the default value. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and just jump back into creating this vertical orientation. So we've set up our new profile. What we're gonna do is go ahead and click settings here. And then from settings, what we need to do is we need to change the resolution from a horizontal resolution to a vertical resolution. So that's actually really simple to do. What we're gonna do is go down to video, and from right here, we're gonna go ahead and change the base canvas resolution and the output scaled resolution. Now, don't worry about this. If we change this, all of your scenes should stay just normal how they are when you switch back over to your horizontal profile. But we set up those two profiles because now we're gonna be creating new scenes with vertical orientation scenes. So mine right here is defaulted to 1920 x 1080, and that just basically means it's 1920 wide by 1080 tall. Now what we need to do is just simply switch those values. We're gonna go ahead and put 1080 wide, so that's pretty small wide, and then longer tall. So that's gonna make a rectangle or a vertical orientation setup. Now my values, I typically tend to stream and tend to work on 1080. It's up to you if you guys use 720 or 4K. You guys kind of just pick whatever your values are and then just basically flip-flop them. And then we need to do the same thing here for this output scaled resolution. We need to just go ahead and switch those. So basically what we're doing here is switching the smaller value to put in front of the X and the bigger value to put in behind the X. You can go ahead and adjust your frame rate as well right here if you'd like. I tend to keep mine at 30 frames per second. I just think that works pretty well for me. And that's pretty much it, guys. We are done, and you can go ahead and hit apply and hit OK. And once we've switched that, we are now in vertical orientation. Now I'm gonna switch over here to studio mode so you guys can kind of see what my vertical orientation scenes look like when they're in horizontal mode here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take a look at these. Like you can see it doesn't look right, and that's because I'm on a horizontal profile. So whenever you're using your vertical scenes, you need to make sure you're on your vertical profile. And whenever you're using horizontal scenes, you need to make sure obviously that you're on your horizontal profile. Just real quick, I wanted to mention right up here, you guys probably saw this where it says YouTube start, modify, delete, and Twitch start, modify, or delete. This is basically how I stream to multiple platforms at the same time. You can do it with OBS. It's totally free. You just add a plugin. It's a very easy process. If you guys want to see a video, definitely go check out this video that I have linked up in the card right there. I explain exactly how to do it, and it's a very simple and quick process. All right, now that we've got our vertical orientation set up, guys, I do want to just mention a few tips when you're streaming to a platform that accepts vertical streams. First would be to check the layout of the platform that you're streaming to. When you look at the TikTok stream, you have actually quite a big chunk at the bottom that chat is actually taking up. And if you had any text down there, any gameplay, any video down there, it really would be hard for people to see it behind all of the chat. The second tip that I want to talk about is remember that when you're actually streaming, you may may need to lay things out differently than you would for a horizontal stream. For example, when we have gameplay, we have pretty much gameplay that takes up the entire screen and then a small webcam where people can actually see your face. But for vertical orientation, what you might want to do is actually expand that camera view a little bit, put it up top, and then put gameplay down below it. So it's almost like you're stacking blocks on top of each other to create this vertical orientation of just stacked different frames and sources and media files, so people can kind of see all of it at the same time and nothing is really shrunken down and hard to see. And the last tip I have for you guys is actually to check out this other video that I just put out. It's all about a brand new feature that's coming out to TikTok that is not even released yet, and it is going to revolutionize the way that gamers game on TikTok. It's going to open a stream of monetization that was never before possible for TikTok gamers. So I highly recommend you check out this video. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed, be sure and hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Take care.